Okay, it's in the bag. Some Korean newspapers. It's in the bag. The bag, guys, some Korean newspapers. Yeah, so what's in the bag? Let's see what's in there more. Oh, more Korean newspapers. There's a thing, I need a translator for that. And just a bunch of stuff I don't really know. I gotta get a translator for that. Down payment. Yeah, what's with all this? They're all Korean. Ah, there we go. Bunch of stuff. A lot of newspapers and yeah, that, and yeah, it's a bunch of stuff. I don't really know what it is. Yeah, I need a translator for that so I can know what I can understand. Grand opening. Foot massage. The back of the newspaper. Oh, hey, it's in the comic strip. The call bit of it, yeah. Yeah, it's a lot of comic strip. You saw that. And all that. About that. Yeah, just look at that. All vintage. Yeah, so vintage. Black and white, nice color, and a bunch of other Korean stuff. I don't really know. Yeah, it's kind of strict and classic. Now, let's see what's in the back of this. Oh, it's just some more that Korean stuff. And there's one in the English, and there's one more Vietnamese. Yeah, you can't understand what that even says. Can't focus. Can't focus. Can't even understand what that says also. Yeah. It's just more. Hold on a second. Oh, sorry. It's just more of the Korean thing again. That's why they always show that Korean in TV shows for kids every Saturday. It's very annoying. More of that pill thing. Lots of stuff. And a car. They always have weird stuff, like cars that has one window, one door over there, 2 or 3 doors, no door there. Yeah, what's up with this stuff? This stuff is cool. And yeah, phone numbers, contact, and lots of stuff. Yeah, you don't really understand what that says. Unless you're Korean, you know what that says. And there's nothing less in the bag. Let's kick it. Back where I all can do. Bye.